When floods strike, we're used to seeing the immediate aftermath: destroyed buildings, streets underwater, and death tolls. But what you don't often see is the huge impact on people's health that lasts far beyond the event itself. These are the unexpected health threats of flooding. But why does flooding cause a surge in these types of diseases? Well, periods of intense rainfall and floods can lead to a buildup of water. As the flooding intensifies, it can also infiltrate and damage sanitation facilities, causing sewage systems to overflow, contaminating people's homes and water supplies. This can then spread waterborne diseases like cholera and hepatitis A.
पानी की वजह से और गीलेपन की वजह से जो मोस्ट कॉमन इन्फेक्शंस वहाँ पे हैं वो स्केबीज़ है, उसमें फंगल इन्फेक्शंस हैं, और पानी में जो कीड़े पैरासाइट्स पैदा होते हैं उनकी वजह से मुख्तलिफ इन्फेक्शंस हो सकते हैं, और बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शंस हो सकते हैं। बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शंस में सेल्यूलाइटिस है, फॉलिक्यूलाइटिस है, समटाइम्स अल्सर्स तक भी पहुंच सकते हैं। इन्फेक्शंस बहुत कॉमन है जो स्पोर्स होते हैं गंदे पानी में या गीलेपन की वजह से खुश्क नहीं रह सकते, उसकी वजह से फंगल इन्फेक्शंस कॉमन है।
Today we are introducing our new product, Air Sanitization Sachet for public place. Considering the current scenario of bacteria, virus, fungus, deadly virus like corona, swine flu and other that kind of influenza virus, we need to go for the air sanitization for the different place like school, college, hotel, even the offices where we are working. So this is the procedure of sanitization is very simple. We need to take 1.5 glass of water, that will be approximately 250 ml of water, and then pour into a bowl, and then need to cut the sachet and then pour into the bowl. It will slowly turn into the yellow color and start releasing gas. The gas is 100% food grade. Even if we are putting our lunch box, salad or anything in that particular area, there is no harm. Because it's a purely gas, so the penetration is excellent. In each and every hook and corner, it will penetrate. It will cover approximately 500 square feet area. So whenever we are using this product, even on the clothes, even on the surface, wherever the possibility of the bacteria virus, it is going to control. Like if we have start releasing the gas, that will last approximately 1.5 days to 2 days, and it will control up to that period of time. After that, we need to change the water and use another pouch for the air sanitization and control the infection, bacteria, viruses, whatever can be affect our healthy life. And the similar product so many hospitals are using for the OT sanitization or OT fumigation. The same product we have introduced for the basic application, which is the need of the hour, like the school, colleges, the public place where we have to go for the fumigation for the better and the healthy life.
What is chlorine dioxide and mechanism of action?
Chlorine dioxide eliminate all forms of microbial life, such as viruses, bacteria, fungi, and spores. Mechanism of action. Chlorine dioxide, ClO2, acts as an oxidizing agent and reacts with compounds within the cells and on the surface of cell membranes, causing cell metabolism to be disrupted. It has been proven effective as a virucidal, bactericidal, quick allergy relief, sterilizer, deodorizer. Chlorine dioxide main strength, The traditional sterilizer had to get inside the pathogen to kill them. That will take longer time and give them a chance to build a resistance. Chlorine dioxide, ClO2, physically attacks pathogens through oxidation of their outer layers and kills them within 30 to 60 seconds, literally burning them apart. To date, no organism has shown resistance against chlorine dioxide.